Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to read about key highlights in the Adobe Photoshop Express application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on key highlights. And here you can read about key highlights. Basically there is only 4 pages. You can just press on next when you are done with reading them and you can just read all of these 4 pages, and once you are done with it, you can just press on finish, and that's pretty much it really. So those are just some key highlights about the application, how it functions, how you should use it and stuff like that, just for better understanding, especially if you're a beginner. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.